Hi everybody, Pete and I are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg for the Platinum Member Preview of their record-breaking multi-launch coaster, Pantheon. Don't forget to stop by the self-service kiosk to get your little card because you're going to need the barcode if you want to ride the ride. Regular member previews start March 5th tomorrow, and the ride opens officially March 25th. Pantheon has a higher closing temperature in cases of cold weather. They close that ride at 45 degrees, whereas the other rides are between 40 and 42, so keep that in mind if you're coming on a cool day. At the entrance, we had to brake left to head to Pantheon, which seems out of character. We always brake right and go to Ireland first. Apparently, fun fact, there's also a kiosk right outside the ride, so if the lines are long at the beginning of the park, wait and come. Can't bring this camera on, so I'm gonna have to get a locker. They are $2 for one-time use or $8 for the day. It feels like we've been waiting for this roller coaster forever. It has 4 launches, some forward, some backward, 5 airtime hills, a 95-degree drop, and at max, it's 178 feet tall and goes 73 miles per hour.
But there's a kiosk in the back.
The height limit is 76 inches tall. Pete just barely made it.
Close. Drive 3.5 hours.
Turn around, Pete. Too tall. Too tall. Now, everyone wants to ride from front and the back.
Yeah, I love it.
Welcome in, riders! How was your ride? Alright. Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon!
Pantheon, Pete?
Pantheon's amazing. It is definitely the best coaster here. It's a great ride. Not as intense as I was expecting with the other Intamin ride that we rode down at Universal, Velocicoaster, but man, it's awesome. A lot of hang time, a lot of, I want to stay there, like stalls where, I mean, we were riding in the front, so there were a lot of times
feels like slow motion almost.
Yeah. The one thing you don't get from the videos online of the ride, like the first person views, is when you do the turn toward the river, how slow motion it goes and how you can see so much of the Germany side of the park from there. It's awesome. It is a great roller coaster.
We just ran into a lovely lady who had extra passes because her family's not all riding it, and we're gonna ride it again. The first time we rode in the very front, which was fun, but it's definitely way more intense when you ride on the back. You really feel the speed, you get the impact of the launches. It's pretty on par with Velocicoaster. What did you think, Pete, from the back perspective?
The back's a little more intense. You get some different feels. It's definitely worth riding in both ends.
Yeah, it almost feels like a completely different ride.
100%, yeah. Yeah, when you go over the top hat in the back, it's amazing how much it throws you out of your seat compared to the front where you didn't really feel the top hat as much. It wasn't as big a feature, so it's cool.
Thank you guys for coming along with us. Let me know if you guys came here to ride Pantheon. Let me know if you're coming to ride Pantheon. If you're a fan of the Velocicoaster, I think you're gonna like it. As always, it has been the most gratifying day.